number one about this Halo Byte Tango 12. It is ready to go out of the box. If you don't want to set up anything, you just plug it in and it goes. The other thing is you don't have to hardwire stuff other than your back camera. My front camera is mounted right here, and then I'm running the wires inside my headliner down and then right into the back of the camera. Now there's multiple ways of mounting this. I'm using the suction mount because that works best for us. On the back, you have a mount that will mount directly to your rear view mirror. And then there's other mounts that you can mount onto the dash. We didn't have the real estate to use that, so we're not going to. We're just going to go with the suction mount. So one of the other things that we really like about this is this device right here plugs into your 12-volt system. You don't lose 12 volt because you've got USBs right there. But this is the brains of the operation, and this connects to your rear camera. Now, we put it in the back seat because I didn't want to give up that 12 volt up there up front. And I wanted a little bit more distance to the back camera. And truth is, nobody ever sits in the back seat. So we just put this back here, and it works great. Like I said, out of the box, this thing is ready to go. And I'm not going to show you the install of the back camera because it literally is so easy, especially with modern trailers like ours, Keystone, Montana 3761 FL. When we pulled off the little cover cap, it was literally 2 wires. And on the camera, you're going to have 3. You're going to have a red wire, a black wire, and a green wire. The green wire is your trigger wire, and you only use that if you want it to trigger. So when you put it in reverse, the camera comes on. We want the camera to be on all the time. So I just took that trigger wire, took electric tape, and taped it to the side, ran my red wire, my black wire to the camera, screwed it on, and that was it. I didn't think you really needed to see that, but you can see where it ended up there. Okay, so our Keystone, Montana came prepped for a rear camera. And so right behind here was a little cap, and there's 2 wires. And basically you just splice those 2 wires. Now I will tell you that it is a super, super easy install. And most of them come where you just plug it in. And Haloview gives you everything you need to put that on. 4 screws, hold it on. And then it automatically paired. We didn't have to press buttons to pair. All we had to do was plug it in, turn it on, and it paired automatically, and it works fantastic.